Yesterday there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane.
Hello, welcome back to Life of Midwife. And it is, well, it's Wednesday, but we're going to be recording our Mukbang Thursday today. But I thought I would start out by showing you what we woke up to. Yep. We knew it was coming, but they said it was going to start at 11 p.m. last night, and it didn't start until after 4 this morning. Can't even see the back field behind our house. So, we're not going anywhere. And this is supposed to last until Friday. I mean, it's pretty and white again instead of muddy and bleh. Anyway, we'll catch you in a little bit today. Well, it is now 4 p.m. and the snow has stopped for today anyway, or at least for now. There's quite a few inches out there. Oh, I do not like it when he's got that shovel. That is too hard on his back. He's only supposed to use the snowblower, and that is a really, really wet snow. Brody went out and came in with clumps of snow that Kevin took the hairdryer to him. But look at that mess. Alright, well, it'll look nice once he's done doing that. Alright, so as you saw in the clips prior to this, we've been having a snowstorm. So, Mukbang Thursday is at home.
Yes. Well, it has stopped.
But we're supposed to get more.
Yeah, I don't know if we are. I checked the weather earlier, and the weather radar indicated that we may not get obviously what we got. But yeah. It is wet. It's heavy. Like not like real heavy, but it's heavy. I wasn't even sure how the snowblower would handle it.
And Mr. Brody, he didn't like it too much because it was clumping to him. Great big clumps.
Yeah.
So, anyways, we just have a frozen pizza. It's got caramelized onion and sausage.
Yep.
And then some onion rings. And I was looking for a dip for onion rings. I typically usually just do salt and vinegar on my onion rings. Except that when we go to Tony Roma's. And I love their dip.
I don't know what I don't know if it's a mayonnaise and sriracha. I don't know. I don't know. I need to find out.
So, I made a dip. It's half cup barbecue sauce and a 1/4 cup ranch dressing. So, we'll give it a try, and if I don't like it, then I'll use the salt and vinegar.
Yeah.
Let's give it a try.
I'm not a ranch person, so.
Yeah, but you don't taste the ranch. Not bad.
No, it's not bad.
Mm-mm.
But it would taste good with sauce from Tony Roma's.
Mm-hmm.
I'm ready for a nap after supper.
We're going to play cards with our friends first.
That's what she thinks. So, we let Brody out this morning. He didn't like it when he came back in. He had like golf ball size of snowball stuck to his fur and just all underneath the underbelly, down his arms or his legs or yeah. And he did not like it when I was trying to take it off. Yeah, he was kind of doing the little bit of nipping, not like biting, but then kind of
let go,
and then kind of doing and then kind of doing the, you know, showing the teeth a little bit. And I'm like, don't you dare.
And I think he's looking for French fries because we had the air fryer out for the onion rings.
We didn't do French fries.
I don't know what brand this is. I forget.
I can't remember. I don't think it's Dr. I never pronounce it right. Orca or Orca.
No. It's not bad. I prefer thin crust, so I like it. So.
I find you don't want to overcook it.
Nope. That's why I said just 10 minutes.
Yeah. Hopefully we don't get too much more snow.
So, the city of Winnipeg has not closed their schools due to weather since 1997. They closed them for today and tomorrow because we were supposed to get this humongous storm. And it's no different than any other storm that we had.
Yeah. Well, they just being cautious.
Our highways do close, but they always close with the weather because
Yeah. Once the wind gets blowing and snowing. Yeah.
well, with it being the prairies, it just
Well, that's the
blows.
wind.
Yeah.
Blowing. Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad. Hopefully this is the last snow because I got to put a new cable on the snowblower for that tilts the chute.
You can't see him, but he's just on the other side of Kevin. His head's like this on the table.
Now he's
There he is. You can't
Yeah, he
have this,
thinks
buddy.
she's- What's up, buddy? You can't have any of this. No.
I think we got that pizza at Save On Foods.
Could have. Day that we went in there, I think. Yeah.
Save On Foods is a Western province. Western provinces. Like, it's only in the Western provinces. And it's not, you're not saving anything. It doesn't live up to its name except for on the sales.
Yeah.
Their sales are good, but
I don't know why you're doing this, buddy. You know you can't have any of this. You never, the only thing you ever get, buddy, is fries, chicken, and eggs. No.
You're funny, buddy. You want to play cards with us? Yeah. No, I really want a treat. My sister messaged me. It's 20 degrees here today. Celsius. Which is like, I don't even know, 1 in Fahrenheit.
22 or 20 times it by 2 and add 32.
So there.
About 72 degrees. That's the quick way to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit.
So can you imagine? We're in a snowstorm. She's outside in shorts. Looking at bunnies in her garden. I told her to keep bragging.
No.
Can't have it, buddy. Alright. My last bite here. We're gonna clean up and we'll bring it back when we're playing game.
I'm going for a nap. See you in a bit.
Alright, we're gonna play phase 10.
I don't think we've...
Okay. I'm gonna hold your card up and show them.
Yeah,
The phases?
I'm just getting this set up. Okay. So, you see on there is each of those phases we have to complete. So the first one is like, when it says A, B, 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 that means we got to have 3 of all one card and 3 of all another card. So like 3 10s or 3 11s, 3 12s, whatever combination. Then the A, B, C, D are runs. Now the runs can be any color. They're not colored specific. And then number 8, where you see it's all purple like that, that means it's 8 cards of all the same color. It doesn't have to be numerical or anything like that. And there's 10 rounds. The first person to complete phase 10 is the winner. If 2 of you complete phase 10, then you go by points that you don't accumulate when you go through the game. So I think we played this once, not this particular like card one, but we played phase 10 that Katie had
Maybe
quite some time ago. I just can't remember if we did it, if we were on camera or not. So
not sure.
okay.
So sit back and enjoy us getting mad at each other.
Oh, there's no getting mad. I just like playing these cards. Means that she misses a turn. Now, when you got more than 2 people playing, what you would do with this card is you give it to the person, they put it in front of them. When it becomes their turn, they put it back on the discard pile.
That's their play.
Yeah. She get mad at me already.
Just play your hand.
I'm trying to get some things going here. So just relax.
You chillax. No.
Listen, I'm not throwing cards away for your approval, so. But I can say the same thing. No.
Mm-hmm. No.
Yes.
No.
And just to let people know, you can lay down more than what you require to lay down. So there we go. So I got 3 8s. I actually have 4 1s. That benefits me to do that. And discard. Now the card values when we count points. 1 to 9 is 5. 10 to 12 is worth 10. The miss a turn is 15. And wild cards are worth 25 if they're caught with you in your hand.
Sixes.
So now that Kelly has played, she can lay, if she's got 8 and 1, she can lay them over on my piles. And this is kind of how you get rid of cards. You cannot start another new pile. You can only play on the piles that are played. Wild cards are played as whatever numeric value you play them. You can't swap them out or anything like that. And Kelly laid 3s and 6s. So I have a 3. I'm going to dump over there and get rid of that. So now we just basically play. We both completed this phase. So now basically we're trying to get rid of our cards to go out.
That's not what I meant. I meant to go there.
See, she's cheating already.
Yeah.
Just gonna turn those at an angle a little bit. So you can see.
You're a jerk.
I am.
15. But I can move on,
Yeah.
so.
So now we gotta have 3 of a kind and a run of 4. And Kelly and I have been playing this for a little while with the oversight on the runs because we're so used to playing other games where runs are supposed to be the same color or same suits. Yeah. Katie come over there last week. She goes, I'm pretty sure that it's like all different. And sure enough. Yeah.
Yep. Katie is such a gamer, and I don't mean electronics, board games.
Yeah. She remembers a lot of the rules.
I think she's lost track of how many games she actually owns.
Well, I'm blaming her for our newfound collections. And it's 10 cards, hence phase 10. And 10 rounds.
All right. All right. Run of 4, 3 of a kind, and
Cheating already. Put that there. I'm going to put that there. What did you... Okay. I got to make sure that I do this right. Okay, I'm going to put my 3 of a kind down. Then my run. 2, 3, 4, 5. That with the 12. Put that with the 9s. Well, I can lay that there and go out.
you are a jerk. 10. Dang. It's like the other day, Dorothy and I were playing zombie dice, and I told her to take the horseshoe out of her arse.
Oh. I just think the snow sticking onto our post out there.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like it's an animal hanging on to.
Well, turn the camera and show them.
I don't know if they can see it.
Yeah, but they can see where you've snowboarded.
Yeah, so that's where I snowboard. But I don't know if you can see the post. You can kind of see that white strip. And it kind of looks like I could go out and paint like a crocodile or something out of it. But yeah, there's, we did the Brody spot because it was very, very, well, you can see how high it is. Like, it's about 6 inches that we got.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
He's out there enjoying not having to chomp around it. Although he was liking playing in it, but it's just unfortunate that not being cold enough, it just stuck to him.
Yep. All right. We need a run of 4 and 4 of a kind.
Yeah.
Things that make you go.
Crap.
I don't want 3s. Did you not clue in?
Yeah, I did clue in. That's why I threw it. Okay, make sure that's spread out. Crap.
Oh, someone's knocking at the door.
Yeah.
Someone's ringing the bell. Stop! I got 10. Jerk.
You go let him in, my deal.
Oh. You're coming and cleaning them off.
No, he's fine. No, he wasn't into the deep snow.
At least I'm moving on.
What are we on? We're on a run of 7.
Yeah. My allergies and my sinuses have been so bad and draining that I'm just like, ugh. a run.
Run of 7, ladies and gentlemen. Run of 7.
All right. See, I'm not, so far, not having problems getting my phases. Just having problems keeping cards in my hand. Ew. I didn't even realize that. I could have laid that down earlier. I didn't even come in.
Yeah. Run of 8.
All right. Ten. Sucker.
You're such an idiot.
I know. I know. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay.
What to say about karma? You got 5 to 12, right?
Mhm. You jerk.
You're all so happy. You got to lay down first again.
Now it's a run of 9. Oh, are you laying on Mummy's electric blankie? It's not on though. Is it still cozy? Yeah. Okay.
Feels nice too.
Yeah. It's not even plugged in, buddy. Nope. Just like a normal blanket. This is going fast.
Well, now that we... of course it's going fast because we're playing by the proper rules. What are we on now? Run of 9.
Yep. Really?
Mm-hmm.
You're mean.
Yep, I am.
Oh, that is nice of you.
No.
Nope.
Well, that was nice of you.
Oh, I'm sure it was. Give me what I want. Give me what I want.
Okay.
That's not what I want. Oh, that's not what I want either. Ay, 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 ay. No. Oh, right there.
Oh. Oh, you cheater. You got the same thing I do, so I guess we're going after the same card. All right, we're on 2 sets of 4 of a kind.
Yeah. See, it's nice that I get to move on to each level, but the problem is I have points and he doesn't, which means
I do.
I
I have 15.
Yeah.
That's why it's different when you play with more than 2.
Mm-hmm.
When you start playing with 3 and 4, there's a better chance that somebody won't complete their phase.
Katie could not get her face
Oh.
completed the other day.
Nope.
Oh, that was funny.
didn't have any kind words for her. Well, more for me because I kept throwing the cards away that she wanted, but she was dependent on Kelly to throw the cards.
Yep. All right.
Now we're on all of one color.
No, we're not. 2 sets of 4.
Oh, sorry, 2 sets of 4. I don't know why I keep missing that one.
Well, you didn't a minute ago, and then you...
No, I know, but I just... anyways. Just be quiet.
No.
They don't want to listen to you. This is not...
No, it's not good.
Well, get rid of that while I can.
No.
No.
Yeah, I agree.
It's almost like we're rolling for the same ones. Awesome. If I get these cards really quickly, I can get my phase and go out. And then she's one phase behind me. And it makes it a lot easier to win. The thing is I'm not giving you any cards that you need either.
No. You're not.
Must be a 3. Okay. Why didn't you go out? Why didn't you lay down before?
Because I only had 3 9s.
Yeah.
I had my those, and I just picked those up.
Oh, okay.
That's
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
Darn! I was hoping I could have went out before she got her phase, because that way she would have been one phase behind, and it would have been a lot easier to win. Now we're on all the same color. Oh, it's my deal. Not that dealing really doesn't matter, because
Just usually when Kevin and I play games, cards all deal the odd number and he'll deal the even number.
even.
That way we just remember whose turn it is all the time.
Yeah.
You look so cozy over there, Mr. Brody. He's waiting for us to go and watch TV with him. Seven of the same color. Stop! Oh, may I play now?
You sure? Oh, thank you. I wouldn't have gotten rid of that. You should have known I was picking.
I guess I wasn't paying that close
Yep.
attention.
That's why I said crap, because I knew you were picking green. I only had red and green. But
I was going green and yellow just
yeah,
until I figured out which
that's
one.
okay. I knew once I figured out, well, if she goes out, that plays in my favor. If she lays down. Okay, we are now going for 5 of a kind and 2 of a kind. 5 and 2. Man, being out in that fresh air.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. And I didn't even have a winter coat on. I had my gloves and my one kind of spring-like jacket.
They know.
Oh, were you? I guess you videoed me. Eh? Okay, well, there you go. But it was nice cleaning the car off, because the snow was all clumped together and just slid right off the car.
Okay, let's see. 5 and 2.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, crap. I was putting the color coded, not number coded.
Takes all kinds. See, I even got the next one. Maybe I'm done.
Oh, crap. I could have went out a long time ago. I forgot what we were on.
Not that you could go out.
I meant lay down.
You could have laid down.
Yeah, totally.
Costs nothing to pay attention.
I know.
Because that almost costs you.
I know. I was thinking 2 4s. And not
No.
5 and 2. Yeah.
Okay. We are on the last one. So basically, if I lay down, the game's over.
Yep.
Because in order for her to beat me, she has to go out and prevent me from laying down and make me count my cards, and hopefully my cards count more because she's got 65 and I have 25. She's patiently waiting.
Yep. He wants us to go over and watch TV with him.
Yeah. And he doesn't sit with Kelly.
Nope. Evenings are all about Daddy.
Making sure they're shuffled good.
Yeah. Five and 3.
Do you need to remind yourself of that?
Yeah, I do. Yes, I do.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. I wasn't sure if I wanted the 9 or not.
Oh. Okay, what do you have?
I'm
there?
gonna fix it. I got 11 and 9s.
That's game, folks.
That's game. All right.
Yay!
Turn the camera and we'll say goodbye. All right. Thanks for joining us on another Thursday mukbang. And we will see you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.